What's up, guys? Malik back with another video for the future 1%ers and anybody else trying to achieve that financial freedom. You see the title of this video. Today we'll go over a live example, a real life application of the techniques that we talk about on this channel to generate some extra money. Let's jump into the computer. All right, so here's a project at hand. We had a nice little deck to tackle. Easy project, has some moss on it, some really bad organic, but no real stripping necessary. We put a little bit of chemical on there just to make it a little bit easier, but definitely not a difficult task at all as soon as you kind of know what you're doing. This customer actually found us on the internet. We've been using Google pay-per-click marketing and putting about $2 grand on that a month with spectacular results. Definitely look into that if that's not something you've done. But he hit me up, the dude in Detroit, said, hey, look, man, I need my deck done, need it cleaned up. We ain't touched it in a long time, make it look good for me. I gave him a good price, which is $1,300. I mean, that's one of the lowest prices we've given all year, but I knew that it'd make a great video, a great piece of content, a perfect video to drop some gems over. Obviously, not all of this is profit. We'll go over a price breakdown at the end of the video here. But since I did the majority of the labor myself, we're looking at a lot of profit on this project. You can see all that nasty coming off. We just sprayed it with a little bit of sodium hydroxide, a light caustic soda mix. That kind of loosens up the dirt, makes everything easy. You just kind of sweep it off with the pressure washer. Don't got to use that much pressure, just let the chemical do the work. Maybe give a little scrub brush action, then just rinse it off. It comes off like butter. This is a technique that we use for the majority of our decks, whether I'm doing it, whether I'm having a team member doing it, whatever the case is, we're probably gonna hit it with some chemical. We've been real busy this year with a lot of larger projects, multiple 5-figure projects going on. So to have this small, easier job, it was a nice change of pace. Now, as you can see, that got nice and clean. I normally throw a brightener over decks, but since we're gonna go with the cedar on it, this deck was already kind of old. I was like, whatever, we didn't put that much on it. So just came back and stained it, man. And one thing I will say about the deck staining market, it feels like it's a completely underserved market, or untapped market. There's a lot of guys out there doing it, but there's not that many guys out there doing it at a high level. And I think that if you're a high producer, you're somebody who can focus, get things done at the highest level possible, you can make a real killing in this industry for sure. I mean, I know it's been game changer for us. It's given us an avenue to really maximize our business. At the end of the day, you could really run any business as long as your branding is proper. You'll be successful. Make sure to check out the Brand for Bucks ebook down in the description below if you want to learn how to build a brand, build a business out like this. We can go ahead and find a job, make a quick $1,000 in 5 hours, whatever the case was with this one. Make sure you check that out. That'll start the transition in your mind to becoming a boss and demanding your worth. All right, my favorite part, the money. We brought in $1,300 on this project. A nice, easy stain project that took us about 5-6 hours in total. The materials, the stain, the fuel, the labor, everything came down to about $300, leaving us with a profit of $1,000. I think it's fair to say that we did pretty well on this project, especially fit in between some other jobs that are a little bit larger. These small jobs will keep you afloat while you're waiting on the payout for these larger projects if you're just getting going in your business. So do not pass up on the easy opportunities when you see them. But yeah, there it is, man. I mean, you can see the deck looks beautiful. The customer was extremely happy. Got a couple referrals from the project, so we'll be back in the area doing some more work in the city. And this is just one of hundreds of examples. I mean, we do this every single day while the weather is good, man. Again, I don't want this channel to just be a talking head channel. I want to show you guys that the techniques and the methods that I'm teaching on this channel work in real life. They will get you paid. You will be better off if you use them. If you want to learn how to build a brand that can demand top dollar, make sure you check out the link below, Brand for Bucks. Check out the ebook. I'm serious. It'll cost you $1. Get used to investing in yourself. $1 measly. Buy the ebook, spend the 30 minutes to read it, download, study that information, and apply it to your business, apply it to your life. You will be successful. I appreciate you for watching this video. Make sure you drop a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see in the future. Do you want to see more of this? Do you want to see more marketing content? Do you want to see more motivation talk? Let me know what you guys want, because I'm a man of the people and I want my people to get what they deserve. All right, I appreciate you watching. Peace.